Ulampang kaying dorbar tauan u Thomas E. Sangma hakapratrik nailur ularai ban beteng ban itho ya u MLA ka not shlong uba Adelbert Nongrum kum udukot jongka seng Voice of the People Party VPP dakabak do ba nadu bakashiti sospan kamshum nakdo ya u kum u MLA ngalayo ya kashiti jongka jingsha sospan kalong ka jingshisha ba ula sha sospan nakaseng Henry nangta hakaliang ka jonga ngamla wan pediang namarba ya ka kopi jong ka shiti sospan ka balaai hanga la tho sha u Adelbert Nongrum tangkum u Adelbert Nongrum jaya kila ban don bun ki Adelbert Nongrum ki basa ha katika ju ka shnong ong u speaker habakran sha kinong tho kubor hadin balawai ka dorbar ka bade ka sngis dang jong ka dorbar sanrai Shwa kani uni u MLA ka Voice of the People Party VPP uba Adelbert Nongrum ulapun paw ka jingbom hun hapo ka yeng dorbar hakabaya day baka jing syak sospon jong u. Uba Nongrum uba mikmat ya ka not shlong constituency ula bu jingkli balay usyak kentan watla uday u MLA ka VPP. Ya uni u MLA la sospon hak arpasaw turik luber arjar pesan namar ka jingkeno ba ule eki kam persyak seng. Uni u MLA ula persyang menra ya ka point of order da ka baong ngalaban pan jing syai balay bangahi kum u MLA ka VPP ngadon hak ni ka kerdan. Balay pibo yang nga hakasyuki basyadin. Haba ulampang ula keli hapo kanu ka kendon ayu ba ulara ya kani uba Nongrum ula pensyai ba syumlara ya ka point of order Henry ulapan jingsyai halur ka jingsyak sospon jong u. Halur kani ulampang ula pentikna ban pet benya ya kani kakam. Ya kani kamat on saya keren hadin hakakam rajonga ong usangma pat penpa bakam de kapur ke babiang banyak keren hapo ka yang dorbar.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Yes, actually that was not exactly the procedure he had raised without citing any point of order, and he has raised a question. But as an elected representative member, he has every right to do so. But he should have followed the procedure. But I have looked into it, and I have seen that technically he is still the part of the VPP legislature party. So he still belongs there. So shifting his place may have been an oversight from our secretariat. So we are putting a correction to that. Get his original place. As I said, technically he is still part of the VPP legislature party. He has been suspended. That information has also come to us, but that letter, as I said, that letter does not address him as MLA. He has just been suspended from the party, not from the legislature party. That is what we have interpreted, because the suspension letter addressed to him was only addressed as Mr. Adelbert Nongrum Jaya. No MLA, nothing, no prefix. Yes. That is why technically, I think, technically he is still a member of the VPP legislature party. No, I have received a letter. Of course, and it is a fact that he has been suspended from the party. But then, technically, I cannot accept it, because the letter that was given to me, the copy of the suspension letter that was given to me, was addressed to Adelbert Nongrum just as simply Adelbert Nongrum. There could be so many other Adelbert Nongrums living in that same locality.
But he is still there.
Yes, of course. Technically he should be. Yes, he is. It's not about accepting or not accepting. He is getting his original seed bag. So I don't think that will explain and that will speak for itself. Talking about the procedure was wrong in the sense that when he raised this matter today in the House without mentioning any point of order, that was not as per the procedure. That was, I had said. I'm not talking about that his suspension was not according to procedure. I'm not saying that. I was also just merely mentioning that what he had stood up and raised the matter today in the House was not according to the procedure. But however, I invited him to come to my chamber and sort it out.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.